Hello everybody. Today we are going to check out what's new in 8.10.1. Okay, so let's go. If you follow the forums closely, you might have seen that there's just shortly after the 8.10 release, 8.10.1 release. So why did this happen, or what is this exactly? It's a maintenance release, a little bit of a hotfix release here. And the reason is the following, or becomes clear if we go into the details here. They're basically 3 fixes and nothing else special in this one. But the fixes, they are directly related to standard fields, and therefore it affects your installation if you've already upgraded to 8.10.0. And the most important one is the core fields showing as missing or blank after Studio edit. We'll go into this in a bit and check out how you can identify this. The next will be the currency symbols if they don't display in the PDFs. Well, if you don't use invoices in PDFs, it hardly matters, or quotations, but if you do, then you would have noticed it. And there have been issues around the naming conventions here for downloads. So here, what happened here? Let's go into the details. You can see this here as well. So we can look at the affected issues already in the way that we're going into the file system and really check carefully whether we've got this one inside. So source to custom fields. And we can just give it a try and see how that works, or how that should have been correct in the first place. So let's look at the 8.10.0 installation here. And I'm currently here inside my contacts in the custom extension, and there's nothing out of the ordinary. It's only the Google Maps fields which are listed here like in the standard. So if I go now into a 8.10 or 10.0 release, and then I go into the studio, and then I do any small change around the contacts, it could be any other module as well. I go to the fields and I would say additionally to the last name, I would like to make this required as well. So the first name should be required in my specific setup. Doesn't need to make sense at the moment, just for demonstrating purposes. So now I do exactly the same thing again. And you will see that we have a new file here just being generated from the studio. So far, nothing special as well. But let's look into this. So if I check the file itself, and then you will see this line here. And this is the line that breaks basically everything, because it tells the CRM system it's in the custom fields. So it looks into a different table. The table is the contacts _ custom. And there you don't have this field, and therefore everything else breaks. So if you want to do an audit, an update of records and stuff like this, so your system will be breaking now if you have already upgraded to 8.10.0. The upgrade is then easy, and the fix as well. So here you would just go into the same file, remove this. You can look into the detail here. Open the file and delete the line that said source to custom fields. So fairly simple, the fix. And then you would need to do a quick repair and rebuild, totally fine. And then it will just be fixed in your current version. And you should be doing this if you can't upgrade for any reason. Upgrade super fast, super easy, no problem at all. So do the upgrade, because there are a couple of more details if you're generating PDFs. And then here inside the PDF, you've got the correct naming now, as it has been before, all the way up to 8.9.3. And here the same goes for the currency symbols. That is fixed now as well. So if you're still on the 0.0 release, then upgrade. And here, if you already arrived at 8.10.1, you won't have this problem anymore, and everything is working fine. So far for the release overview. So there's really not much going on, but as you can see, if there's there's really something urgent. The team from SuiteCRM has already released this one here specifically because this pertains to the standard fields, and if you have some changes, if you're doing some adjustments around the standard fields, then your standard software will break, and we can't have this. So therefore, the team already released a new one, and I'm very happy about this one. I'm hoping for more features in the next one and more other bug fixes in the next one, but this was very urgent, so therefore go ahead, upgrade. That seems to be fine now. And even if you're still on an 8.9, I guess the biggest bug has been solved and fixed by now, so you can just skip the 8.10.0 and just arrive here at the 8.10.1. Okay, that's already it. Small upgrade, small video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.